Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking McDonald's classic breakfast, Bacon Egg McMuffin. It's so simple, but it tastes so good. Bacon, egg and cheese on an English muffin. To start, place a pan over medium heat. Add a small amount of oil. Place your bacon in the pan. McDonald's uses iBacon, or commonly known as Canadian bacon. You can always use streaky bacon, but I find that iBacon works best for this recipe. Fry the bacon until browned on all sides. Once the bacon is cooked, remove it from the pan. Never leave a bacon behind. Place the two halves of the English muffins in the pan. Move them around so you soak up some of that amazing bacon juice. Take them off once toasted. Next, you will need to fry an egg. Wipe out the pan and add a small amount of oil. Then place the egg rings in the pan. Move them around so they get coated in some of that oil. Crack an egg into each before covering with the lid. This will help cook the bottom and the top at the same time. Once the eggs are 3/4 cooked, flip the eggs to sear the top. After about a minute, run a knife around the edge of the ring and lift it off the egg. Now it's time to put these together. Start with a layer of cheddar cheese, followed by a piece of bacon per muffin, then top with an egg. Season with a pinch of salt, and there you have it, a bacon and egg McMuffin. As simple as these are, they taste great. I normally like to put a small amount of ketchup on mine. If you have found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.